Tutorial: Working with the linking table in PASlive. How to proceed. 1. Open the linking table. Go to the pigeon icon in PASlive. 2. Linking new pigeons. Remark: a chip can only be used with a different pigeon once it has been unpaired or removed from the current one. To link a new pigeon, click on the Show All Pigeons box located on the right side. An icon of a pigeon with a plus symbol will appear on the left. Click on this icon to add pigeons to your linking table. Enter the pigeon's country code, year, and ID number. If known, you can also specify the sex. To add multiple pigeons, enter the number of ring IDs in the count field. You can choose to box or unbox the linking tab if necessary. Then click Save. You can also box or unbox individual ring numbers later, for example if a pigeon is lost, and save the changes. This will add the selected ring numbers to your linking table. You now have two options. 1. Click the link on the left to have your chips linked by the club. 2. Alternatively, you can link the ID numbers yourself using the Home Link button on the right. By scanning the chip rings with the loft antenna, they will appear in the right column after a few seconds. Once all rings are scanned, click Save. You can now see your home-linked pigeons below in your linking list with their chip ID. 3. Manage pigeons. To delete or unlink pigeons, click the pencil icon to edit the linking table. 4. Delete or unlink. Note that there is a difference between deleting and unlinking. Unlinking: by checking the unlink box, you unpair the pigeon from its chip ring. The pigeon will remain in your linking table but will no longer appear in your active list, being the pigeons you're playing with. Delete: if you check delete, the pigeon will be completely removed from your linking table. Click on the Save button to save changes. To definitely fulfill your changes, click on the button Delete Chip Codes and Delete Chip IDs. (5) Cancel. If you want to undo your changes, click the Reset button. This will only remove the selected checkboxes, not the pigeons themselves. 6. Save changes. Don't forget to click the Save icon after making changes in your linking list. 7. Confirmation by Club Manager. If after saving your changes you clicked on the link button for Club to generate, the Club Manager will receive a notification in their PASlive environment to permanently remove or unpair or link the pigeons. Once this is done, the changes will be reflected in your linking table. Conclusion: congratulations! You now have an organized linking table in PASlive.